Hey everybody, I have a small haul to share with you. I purchased a few things from scrapbook.com and ellenhutson.com. If you are interested in any of the items that I show you today, all of the links will be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Even if you are wanting more information, be sure to click on the links and it will take you to either scrapbook.com or Ellen Hutson, depending on where I got what. So I first got the alcohol lift ink, which I'm super excited about, and I have been obsessed with creating alcohol ink backgrounds. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, head on over there. I have a highlight video sharing, I don't even know, maybe 30, 40, 50 backgrounds using alcohol inks. It's just so relaxing to me, and it's just so much fun to create and see just the different movement it has, and it's just really relaxing. So in order to do something different with the alcohol backgrounds, I was super excited to see that they came out with the lift ink, and I will be having a video showing you guys what this is probably tomorrow, so be sure to come back tomorrow if you are interested in learning more about the lift ink. Obviously I'm not an expert on it. If you want, you know, everything on it, head on over to Tim Holtz Facebook page. He shows how to use this and what it's consisted of, and you know, all the different properties and all that kind of stuff. So I got that, and then I got the alcohol ink blending pen. This is old, but alcohol ink backgrounds are new to me, so I figured I'd get that. And I also got the Yupo paper. So the Yupo paper now comes in heavy stock, so it's really thick, and I do have the Legion heavy paper, Yupo paper. It's just a different brand of Yupo paper. Yupo paper is like almost like a plasticky paper, and so let's see. Yeah, so this is super thick. It feels just like the Legion. So I got that, and it is 5x7, and then I also got the 8x10, and I think these are the only ones available right now. And then I wanted to also get the re-inker for the lift ink, but they didn't have it just yet, so I'll have to definitely keep an eye out for that. And then I decided, since I am on the bandwagon of alcohol ink backgrounds, I decided to get on the bandwagon of acrylic pours. And I saw this from Dina Wakley, another Ranger product. This is pouring medium, so all you do is, this is used in acrylic paint to thin it out so that you can pour it onto whatever surface you're wanting to pour on. Makes it easy. Because some people don't really show what they're doing, or you know, what products they use or anything like that. And then I also got some of the Cell Creator, and I got some of the pouring bottles. These were a couple bucks. And then I also got some of the mixing cups and stir sticks. I got these mainly for the I did get some resin, so I want to mix the resin in here. I know they're small. They're actually smaller than I thought they were going to be, but we'll see if I use them for that. But I really like the stirring sticks as well. And if I end up liking the acrylic pour, I want to make it more into like an art piece rather than just like a craft project. So that's why I got the resin, so that I can use it and maybe give it to, you know, as a gift or something. So that's that so far. And then I also got the Altenew dotted washi tape, and I love their washi tapes. I have some of their larger ones. They're really nice, and I saw peeks from scrapbook.com, I think it was on Instagram, where they showed more of the washi tapes that Altenew is coming out with, and I cannot wait to get my hands on them. They're so pretty. Alright, and then also I got some of the Avery Elle liquid watercolors, and I'm kind of bummed that they don't have the color on the bottle. You would think that they did, but they don't. But they are 0.5 ounces, and this color is Aquamarine. This color is Sapphire. This one is Sugar Plum and Celery and Sea Glass. So I got those, and I did want to say that when scrapbook.com ships liquids, they always put them in bags, so that's really nice, especially if you order like paper packs and different embellishments. You don't want, you know, all the stuff to spill everywhere. And then I only got 3 things from Elle & Hutson, which is more of the Copic refills. So I ran out of pale grape because it's my favorite color. It's so pretty. And I'm almost out of baby blossoms because I use these two together and it creates such a beautiful background. I'm gonna see if I can find one here just real quick. I don't think I can in you know, fast, but wait, let me see. Well, here's I think this is a I know this one is a Ranger color, I forget the name, but this is either pale grape or baby blossom, so it's like a dark purple with these two colors. So really pretty. Anyways, and then I also got the neutral gray in number 2. I think I have number 5, and I wanted something lighter, and so I got those. And yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, I did get some resin, which is coming UPS any time now. So and then I did get, I don't even know where it is, but I got some glycerin and to make my own blending solution, and it works perfect. Like, it works so good, and I will be showing you guys that too, probably when I do the alcohol lift ink. I do like the Ranger alcohol blending solution, of course, the best, but because I'm just a crazy person and I'm doing alcohol ink backgrounds like every day, it's hard to spend the money on the blending solution. So I do need to find a cheaper option for Yupo paper. If you do have something, let me know. If you know of a really good photo paper that is equivalent to using Yupo paper, let me know. I've used some and it just seeps right in, and it's definitely not the same as Yupo paper. So so yeah, anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul, and like I said, if you want any of these products or want to know more about them, the links will be down below, and leave me a comment, share this video, it really helps me out, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.